Namaste. I welcome you to these instructions to follow before you start the practice of Trataka. The word Trataka means steady gazing. The practice of Trataka involves gazing at a point or object without blinking the eyes. It is a method of focusing the eyes and in turn the mind on one point. The object can be either external to the body, in which case the practice is known as Bahir Trataka, outgazing, or the object of awareness can be internal, in which case it is known as Antar Trataka, inner gazing. Through this method, all the attention and power of the mind is channeled into one continuous stream. This allows the latent potential within the mind to spontaneously arise. Trataka is the last of the Shat Karmas. It acts as a stepping stone between physically oriented practices and mental practices which lead to higher states of awareness. It forms a bridge between the Hatha Yoga and Raja Yoga. It is one of the most direct, simple, and yet at the same time effective technique. The mechanics of the practice are easy to learn and understand. It can be practiced by everyone and the benefits are enormous. Trataka may be performed at any time, but the best time is at the dawn or dusk when your stomach is empty. Ideal duration for beginners is 1-2 minutes only, and then close the eyes. For general purpose, 5 to 10 minutes is sufficient. For spiritual purposes, Trataka may be performed for extended period of time. Those who suffer from insomnia and mental tension should perform this practice for 10 to 15 minutes before sleeping at night. I have already provided precautions and contraindications in form of text. Please go through them before starting the practice. For the procedure of Trataka, light a tall candle and place it on a small table so that the flame is exactly at eye level when sitting. And trim the wick and protect the flame from draughts so that it remains steady. Sit in any comfortable meditative asana posture with the head and spine straight. Adjust the position so that the candle is at arm's length away from the body. Close the eyes and relax the whole body, especially the eyes. Be aware of the body steadiness for a few minutes. Keep the body absolutely still throughout the practice. While gazing at the candle flame, try not to blink or move the eyeballs in any way. Do not strain as this will cause tension and the eyes will flicker. The awareness should be so completely centered on the flame that body awareness is lost. The practice of Trataka makes the eyes clear and bright. It balances the nervous system, relieving nervous tension. It improves the memory and helps to develop good concentration and strong willpower. It activates Agya Chakra, also known as third eye chakra. When Trataka is practiced on a steady flame, there should be no drought in the vicinity. The practitioner should always avoid undue strain. The ability to keep the eyes open without blinking should be developed gradually with consistent practice. Trataka is an excellent method for clearing accumulated complexes, problems, and suppressed thoughts from the mind, enabling the practitioner to witness what is surfacing. Trataka focuses the mind and curbs oscillating tendencies, making it one-pointed and awakening inner vision. All the attention and power of the mind is channeled into one continuous stream. Once this has been achieved, the latent potential within the mind is able to arise spontaneously.